What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this iQOO 12. Yeah, I've been using this smartphone for almost a week now and I truly like it. This is the most favorite smartphone at this moment. Because iQOO 12 comes with a lot of new features, it performs like a monster and it is an all-round performer. Yeah, we are gonna go through a detailed review. We will run 3D Mark the gamer's benchmark. We will compare the 3D Mark performance with iPhone 15 Pro Max. We will check other benchmarks. We will test gaming performance, camera performance and a lot other things. But before that, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Oh yeah, there is another thing I need to mention before I start this video. I have published my review video of this Xiaomi 14 Pro and I have mentioned that this is a pro performer. But after I have used iQOO 12, I have noticed that the gaming performance of iQOO 12 is way better than Xiaomi 14 Pro. If you don't know yet, then Xiaomi 14 Pro, Xiaomi 14, Redmi K70 Pro and iQOO 12, all of these smartphones are powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and after I have compared iQOO 12 side by side with all of these smartphones, I think iQOO 12 offers the best value for money. Now you know how much do I like this iQOO 12, but I'm here to share my honest opinion, right? I know some of the YouTubers will start saying like iQOO 12 has a very good rear camera setup. Yes, it has a very good rear camera setup, but when I've compared the camera performance of iQOO 12 with Xiaomi 14 Pro, iQOO 12 is still a bit inferior to Xiaomi 14 Pro. I mean when it comes to camera performance. But if you want to compare the camera performance of iQOO 12 with Redmi K70 Pro or Xiaomi 14, then well, iQOO 12 has performed better. Well, let's start from unboxing and then we will go through the detailed review of iQOO 12. Well, here comes our Vivo iQOO 12. Wow, in hand iQOO 12 definitely feels so premium and it looks so gorgeous. I really like this design. The rear camera block of iQOO 12 is different than any of its predecessors. The camera block is actually a bit more protruding. It looks more like a camera-centric phone. Personally, I feel iQOO 11 design is still the best. iQOO 11 still looks much more vivid and vibrant, but iQOO 12 has its own unique appearance. It seems more posh and trendy. I have got this black colored variant. As it has an aluminum frame and silver accent design, it has this premium vibe, something elegant. I like this anti-glare matte finish. It is a nightmare for fingerprints and smudges. It also has IP64 rating, which means this is dust and somewhat waterproof. Okay, on the right hand, this is iQOO 11 and on the left hand, that's our iQOO 12. Definitely, side by side, iQOO 12 has way better build quality and it looks premium, but it misses the youth vibe. I know some people would love that the rear camera block has evolved to something camera-centric and I respect the choice. Altogether, I would say this iQOO 12 will get 9 out of 10 for outlook and appearance, and definitely iQOO 12 comes with one of the best build. So it gets 10 out of 10 for its premium build quality. Here is how it has changed over time from iQOO 9 to iQOO 12. Which design do you prefer? Make a comment and let me know. Well, button placement and cutouts of this iQOO 12 is similar to iQOO 11. Volume rockers and power button, all the buttons are on the right side, which means there is nothing on the left side. It's a clean slate. On top, you will notice a bit of a difference. There is a secondary speaker cutout on iQOO 12. It's good that iQOO has listened to us. Anyway, except that the IR blaster and the secondary noise cancellation microphone all are located in the similar position. At the bottom, they are totally the same. Speaker grill, USB-C port, primary microphone and a dual SIM compact SIM tray all are located at the bottom almost at the same place. Well, if I haven't mentioned yet, then iQOO 12 is one of the lightest smartphone which is powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. I really love the feel to have it on my hand. iQOO 12 comes with one of the most impressive display panel among all the gaming smartphones available on the market. It's a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED panel. It has 1260 by 2800 resolution, supports HDR10 Plus and 1 billion colors. It can reproduce perfectly natural colors, yet looks vivid and vibrant. All the standard features are available, and there is this new 2160 Hz pulse width modulation, which is known as PWM, and that actually helps a lot in dark environment. Even if I say black is very dark, white is very bright, colors are vivid and vibrant, I don't think I can find an adjective which can express or justify how good is the display panel. Words are not enough to express the quality of this display panel. It's really better than what I have expected and better than many other gaming smartphones available on the market. 3000 nits of peak brightness and 144 Hz refresh rate. Zero bending, zero flickering. Vivo is raising the standard for others. Well, as I have mentioned earlier, this iQOO 12 comes with a very good stereo setup. There is a dedicated second speaker on top. So yeah, iQOO 12 actually offers way better stereo performance than its predecessors. Oh yeah, it also comes with Dolby Atmos. She's a snake crawling, creeping on the floor. If you give her time of day, baby, that's your first mistake. She will swallow you. Time for Antutu benchmark. I personally don't like this benchmark, but I know you'd like to know about Antutu score. You'd like to know about Antutu thermal throttling result. Well, here you can see that iQOO 12 has managed to get around 2,151,000. This is truly an amazing performance considering iQOO 12 has achieved this score running Antutu benchmark back-to-back twice. Wow, this is really a good performance. Anyway, after Antutu benchmark, as usual, it's time for 3DMark the Gamer's benchmark. I always run Wildlife Extreme Stress Test because this test offers the most accurate data about a phone's real-life performance. Okay, I ran 3DMark twice, once with the Monster mode activated and then again with Monster mode deactivated. I'm truly surprised to see that iQOO 12 has an incredible stability rate of 86.8%. Yeah, without the Monster mode, the best loop score is only 4,812. While with the Monster mode, it goes as high as beyond 5000. But that comes with a trade-off. Stability has dropped from 86% to 77%. I recommend playing games with activating the Monster mode because that offers better performance, and as iQOO 12 has a 6010mm square stainless steel vapor chamber, it actually runs cooler than Xiaomi 14 Pro. Side by side with iPhone 15 Pro Max, look at the differences. iQOO 12 is way better than iPhone 15 Pro Max, isn't it? Kudos to iQOO. Alright, iQOO has performed well in synthetic benchmark applications, but what about real-life performance? I think I have already answered to this question at the beginning of this video. iQOO 12 offers the smoothest in-game experience among all the gaming smartphones available on the market. High refresh rate and touch sampling rate along with great display quality, playing games on this iQOO 12 is truly fun. It's not only enjoyable, it offers more than a delightful in-game experience. iQOO 12 has supercomputing chip Q1. This chip ensures that we have the best in-game image quality, super resolution as high as 144 Hz. It optimizes graphics quality by reconstructing images with sharper details, uses filters to enhance gameplay, including dark scene enhancement, so we can better identify the enemy in dark scenes. And then it offers super accuracy and touch response and prevents unwanted slips and accidental edge touching, while also improving accuracy when hand sweat becomes an issue. The X-axis linear motor provides the best possible haptic feedback, and wow, it has this smart temperature control strategy which keeps the gaming session cool. The phrase "buttery smooth in-game experience" has already become cliché. So I would say iQOO 12 is the perfect gaming smartphone within its price segment. Well, I have been waiting for this segment. I don't know about you. I'm in love with the camera performance because if we consider this iQOO 12 as a gaming smartphone, the camera performance of this iQOO 12 is the best among all the gaming smartphones. It's even comparable to flagship class camera-centric smartphones. iQOO 12 is packed with 3 sensors at the rear panel. 2 of those are really very good ones. There is a 50 megapixel main sensor which is OmniVision OV50H. And yeah, that's tagged to OIS. That means iQOO 12 has optical image stabilization not only for the main sensor but also for the telephoto sensor. There is a 64 megapixel OmniVision OV64B sensor tagged to the periscope lens which offers 3 times optical zoom. And finally, there is another sensor, another 50 megapixel sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN1 sensor that is tagged to the ultra-wide lens. I have tried to take some photos with this iQOO 12 side by side with some other flagship class camera-centric smartphones and I am super satisfied. I think it is somewhat comparable to some other camera-centric flagships, super flagships. I'm truly overwhelmed by the camera performance of this iQOO 12. Both the main sensor and the telephoto sensor has performed like a camera monster. I think iQOO 12 is the most balanced smartphone as it offers superb gaming with flagship class camera performance. Oh yeah, it has a custom ISP from Vivo and that helps a lot.
See it on my face, I made up my mind, not another day, you're on borrowed time, let me get away, yeah I'm running, so love me or leave me, I'm standing alone, can't shake a feeling that lives in my bones, lie to me, tell me you wish that you could, but nothing you gave me is worth what you took. 'Cause baby, when I'm gone for good.
iQOO 12 comes with a Vivo 120 watt flash charge charger. That's a pretty fast charger and when fast charging is enabled, iQOO 12 gets charged within 23 minutes. I mean from 0 to 100% within 23 minutes and that's really fast considering that iQOO 12 comes with a 5000 mAh battery. I have managed to squeeze more than 6 hours and 30 minutes of screen on time in 1260p resolution with 144Hz refresh rate. Screen on time goes beyond 7 hours and 50 minutes while I have gone down to 1080p resolution and selected Smart Switch refresh rate. So I think iQOO deserves a thumbs up. iQOO 12 comes with a traditional under-display fingerprint sensor. I was hoping that this iQOO 12 would come with a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, but that didn't happen. Anyway, the under-display fingerprint sensor of this iQOO 12 is really a good one. Registering fingerprint is easier than many other flagships. It works pretty fine, works flawlessly. Unlocking speed is really very fast. I have never felt any issues. I have never seen any lags. But the placement of the fingerprint sensor is a bit awkward. Vivo should put the fingerprint sensor on the right position. If you're interested in 2D face unlocking option, then yeah, definitely iQOO 12 also comes with a 2D face unlocking option and that also works perfectly fine, very smooth, very fast. Talking about the UI and operating system, I am a bit disappointed. iQOO 12 comes with Android 14 out of the box and there is a skin that's FunTouch OS. Yeah, now there is FunTouch OS 14 and I think FunTouch OS is more optimized than before, but I would like to see Origin OS going outside China. I mean, in the global market, Vivo and iQOO should start providing Origin OS in their smartphones because I personally believe Origin OS is the most optimized Android skin, but I wouldn't say FunTouch OS is bad, it's good enough. It's more like Origin OS is truly super optimized, even better than Oxygen OS. Well, if you use banking applications on your smartphone, then you should check Safety Net test. It's good to see that iQOO 12 has passed Safety Net test. And it's also a good thing that iQOO 12 comes with Widevine L1 security certification. That means we can enjoy HD streaming on our favorite platforms. Okay, that's all about this iQOO 12. What do you think? I'm gonna give away a iQOO 12 to one of my subscribers and regular viewers. I have already mentioned this in the community tab a few weeks ago. If you don't know yet, then well, go ahead, check the community tab. What you have to do to join the giveaway is to be active in this channel. And personally, I'd like to know, what do you think about this iQOO 12? Do you believe my opinion that it performs better than Redmi K70 Pro, or do you have any other thoughts? Please make a comment and share your thoughts and ideas in the comment section below. And if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button, smash that like button, and subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.